In a city full of struggle and controversy, a young lady named Jamaica learned how to thrive, inheriting skills and street knowledge from her former hustling parents. Armed with a scheme for a shortcut straight to the top,
Well, no better blood clot him right now.
Jamaica takes over the streets, and she's not alone.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Jamaica, 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 no. Jamaica, Jamaica, no. Jamaica, Jamaica. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Jamaica.
We supposed to be family. Y'all think y'all can cut me out of deals?
Well, no one for blood clot him
You know
right
what?
now.
Do this bitch right now.
No, I'll show you where it is.
Will they make it or will they fail?
Open the doors, the FBI!
Jamaican Me Go Crazy by Keisha Starr. Get the book now.